Hey, so it's time for another unboxing video, and my Glossybox just have arrived, so let's see what's in there for the month February. Oh, it's like a really unusual box design, so it's it says love. Well, we know all it's Valentine's Day, just like around the corner. And yeah, it's lovely. I love it. And let's see. So we are with the card. And what's this? Sneak peek alert. Moisturizing peeling. Oh please. Yeah. Oh, the box is inspired by 50 Shades of Grey, because it comes out I think on Valentine's Day. So let's see. And everything, like, it's super pink, like, wow, I love it. I just love it. And here we are. Oh, okay. The first thing is Royal Apothec Tinties Lip Butter. Oh my god, lip butter, yes! In the shade Coral. And it got argan oil and grapeseed oil to deeply hydrate, sweet almond oil and shea butter to loose. So wow, this is perfect. And yeah, let's see. Oh my god, it's like super cute. It's oh my god. Now I think there's no smell, so oh, it's super smooth, and well, yeah, it's just tinted, so it gives like super soft reddish pinkish glow. So wow, I think this is going to be one of my favorite things this month. And let's see. This one is okay. It's a full size, and it retails for $14. So I guess about £8. I think so. And it says Royal Apothec Tinties. We discovered the quirky brand in Los Angeles, inspired by an old apothecary manual. It's now a celebrity favorite, with Victoria Beckham rumored to be a fan. Okay. Yeah, I think this is like really good. So wow. First thing, definitely good. Oh my god, it's got to be All-Star 10-in-1 styling treatment. 4 winning styles, all-in-one styling, top-level care and striking defense. So I guess it is okay. I just guess it's a hairspray. Like, yeah, hairspray. And wow, definitely, because I have like an event upcoming in March where I have to be like super styled. So let's see. Yeah, it got to be All-Star 10-in-1 styling. Shinier, stronger, thicker, smoother, more supple, frizz-free, heat and humidity-proof hair. Phew, all your hair problems sorted at the same time. And it is full size, yes. And it retails for £4, so it's okay. And you get a I think, yeah, you get a voucher when you visit boots.com, or you can go in store and buy all got to be products for £3 or 2 products for £5. Okay, so and this is going to be valid until the 17th of March, so like you have 1 month to get this one. So yeah, definitely good. Let's see, next one. It's quite tiny. It's mask Sydney London Mineral Eyeshadow. So, let's see, because it's quite small, like really small, like you can. So, it's in the, oh no, it says Mineral Eyeshadow 50 shades. So I get, maybe this is the, I see. So it's like really charcoaly, grayish, black, brown, something. Maybe if you, maybe I can. Let's see. I have no idea where to open it. So, because. Okay, so yeah, I won't try this now. So let's just see how much it is and what it is. It is Mars Mineral Eyeshadow 50 Shades. With a color palette inspired by that film, this mineral powder-based eyeshadow is 100% natural and highly pigmented, so it packs a punch. Okay, and you can apply it with a wet brush to intensify the shade. So, and no, this can't. Is this full size? Holy shit! Yeah, I'm sorry. This is full size, even if it's quite small, and this retails for £14. So, what the hell? I mean, like, wow, like this small for like wow. Okay, this one will be like the to go for smoky eye. And then, oh my god, wow, oh no, what's this? Yay, slush shake. Okay, just go for this one first. Okay, it's Wilkinson Sword Hydro Silk, and it's a it's a shaver. So, and yeah, it's like 5 blades, and it just looks like a normal shaver, like I don't know. And this one is of course full size, and it comes with like with a holder, so you can just put it onto the wall, and it hopefully it sticks there. So yeah, okay. And it retails for £10, so definitely worth it. And come on, it's nearly spring, so yeah, get the shaver out again, I guess. So definitely. Oh yeah, and you have a voucher as well, like when you, what it does is, so oh yeah, you can use the code Glossy2, and it expires on the 30th of April. So yeah, that's good. Cause I think, oh my god, yeah, this is gonna be nice. And this, what's this? So Susan, skincare color performance. Beauty without virtue is like a rose without scent. Okay. Rose quartet, lip cheek cream, and something in French I can't pronounce. No mineral oils, no phthalates, I guess. No triclosan sulfates, fragrance-free, hypoallergic, non-comedogenic. This is quite good because I think my pores get clogged quite easily. So, yeah, and with Rose Complex 5. A proprietary blend of damask rose, cabot rose, evening primrose, rose geranium, and rosehip extract. Okay. Oh, and it's cruelty-free, so definitely thumbs up. And let's see. I hate when the packaging is just too tight for my things, but no mercy. So we have, this is like what it looks like. It's quite small. I wonder if it's a full size, but and you get like 4 colors, quartet of course, and it's like super pink, then more like rosy pink, a red, and I would say like a mauve color, so this is what it looks like. And yeah, I think it's definitely nice for lips, but I'm not sure if I would go for it on cheeks. I don't know, maybe it's... Wow, and it's not... Well, maybe I give it a try, because, well, it was in the box, so yeah, but just maybe. Okay, so what's with this? It is So Susan Rose Quartet Lip and Cheek Palette. Pretty pinks and bold crimson, the versatile palette has a match for either mood. And it is full size. Wow. And it retails at £8. So, what the hell? I mean, okay. Yes. I think that was it. So, all the excitement about the Nio Bay moisturizing peeling. Oh no! Oh, I'm sorry. It's inside every March box. Wow. So this is what it looks like. So, wow, and it's a full size. So next month. Okay, yeah. Next month will be. Wow. Yeah, I think that was like all of it. And oh no! Oh my god! Oh my god! It's Love Hurts. Like, oh sweet. Like, as a surprise. Wow. Oh my god. Yeah, in love, definitely. Come out. Okay. So I think that's all for me. So I say goodbye and until my next video. Thank you for watching, and hopefully this was slightly better than the first one. If you ever watch it, just please be kind. And yeah, that's all. Happy Valentine!